If you're an Amazon influencer doing everything yourself, you already know the feeling. Filming, editing, uploading, researching products, and managing your storefront, it's a lot. And at some point, doing it alone stops being sustainable. HireUp is the course that walks you through exactly how to find, hire, and work with your first virtual assistant so you can get back your time and start building something that actually scales. 10 self-paced modules covering everything from where to find the right VA, how to vet and interview candidates, onboarding, training, and building the day-to-day systems that keep your business running without having to manage every detail. Every module includes videos, templates, and ready-to-use resources so you're not starting from scratch. You're following a process built from real experience. Now, if you want to go further than the course, we also offer a done-for-you talent placement service. We find the VA for you, vetted, qualified, and matched to your business. And because modules 5 through 10 of the HireUp course shows exactly how to train and manage a VA, along with the systems I personally use to work with mine, those are included as part of the service. So not only do you get the right person, you get everything you need to work with them more effectively from the start. And if you're ready to go all in, the Lypad Complete package takes it even further. You get everything in HireUp and the talent placement service, plus our Scale Up course, which is 14 modules covering the full strategies I've used to scale my own Amazon influencer business. And on top of that, we provide 40 hours of direct training to the candidate that you select. By the time they start working with you, they'll have a strong foundation in our systems and a much shorter learning curve. Less time figuring it out as you go, more time focused on growing your business. And if any of these sound like the right fit for you for where you're at right now, we'd love to talk to you through it. Book a consultation call using the link below, and we'll figure out together which option makes the most sense for you. Let's launch your Amazon influencer business to the next level.